Okay, so I know there's something missing on my face, but can you guys guess? Assalamu alaikum, pleased to have you guys back on my channel. And in today's video we are going to do my favorite lip combos. Very recently I started using something apart from lipstick, that is lip liner and lip glosses. So in today's video that is what we are exploring. Basically we are trying all the lip combos that I have tried so far, and I have enjoyed, like I enjoy using them, doing them on everyday basis, and they are my favorite. So I already have all the things that I would require. So currently I just have three lip liners. One is in the nude or brown shade, the other one is in purple or cherry shade you can say, and one is in the pink shade. So I have all my lip liners here, and this is the four lipstick slash lip gloss that we are working with today. As we go on ahead in the video, I will let you know more about all of these products. And apart from that, I also have this makeup remover. This I bought a year of back. I think I got two of these. This is from Amazon, a local brand, I guess. I don't remember the brand as well. It's somewhere here, Peora or something like that. Along with this pouch, basically this is a cotton sponge that helps you remove your makeup, and you get two of these. Ek pura khatam ho chuka hai, like I have used it so well, so this is the second one that I will be starting with this video. And here I also have my micellar water. It's from Himalaya, and this works really well. With all of these stuffs, we are ready for today's video. So let's just dive into the video. For the first lip combo, this has been a very, I'm so sorry about that loud thud, but yeah, this is the first lip combo that I would like to show you guys. I was doing some trial and error and I created this lip combo, and it just requires two things: a lip liner of your choice and a lip gloss of your choice. Here I am using Swiss Beauty ka bold matte lip liner in the shade purple 11. This has been my favorite lip liner. Can you see, like I have used quite a bit. I have sharpened it quite a few times as well, and this has become my favorite. It gives you almost a cherry like finish. Okay, so let's just give this a try on. I'm kind of uncomfortable in today's video, but let's just do what we are meant to do. You can always keep your lip liners really sharpened, but I like mine like this, like not really sharp. I don't like cuffing up my lips. Okay, and I actually like to do it that way, like just smudge my lip liner a little bit, and then I'm going in with this lip gloss. It's from Rude Cosmetics, I think Berry Juice. The shade is Nudist. It looks something like this, and let me just try it. It's really thick. It gives you that plumpy look, and also keeps your lips really hydrated for a very long duration, which is a good thing about this lip liner. I mean lip gloss. When I started using it, I did not like it because it is kind of sticky, and I still don't like that attribute of this lip gloss. But it's a beautiful color. Can you see that? Yeah, can you see that, guys? It's a very beautiful lip combo. It's a very everyday lip combo. You can go ahead with any lip liner and any lip gloss of your choice, but this, I think this could be a very staple in all the girlies who really want to look like very put together. Okay, let's just get this lip combo removed. Wow, that was such an easy swipe. So now moving on to the next lip combo, I think I will again go ahead with the same lip liner so that एक lip liner का वो पूरा तरीके से मैं बता दूँ वैसा कुछ. Let me just quickly line it up. This lip liner is so pretty that ये अगर आप इसको ही लगाएं सिर्फ और कुछ भी ना लगाएं तभी भी इतना ही खूबसूरत दिखेगा. I hope my lips don't get dried after this video. See, I have just applied that lip liner. It's so pretty and suits me and my facial features really well. After applying this, I will go in with this Insights Cosmetics lipstick. It's in the shade 06. I have talked a lot about this lipstick in one of my previous videos, so you guys can go and check that out. So yeah, let me just try this on, put this on basically. It's a very beautiful everyday nude lipstick. I usually like to apply it only on my lower lip and then smudge it out like so. There you go. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it is such a pretty lip combo of mine. I just love this a lot. This is a lip combo that I wear on daily basis. Wow, so basically this gives you a lip color that's not too nude and that also has a hint of color. I think it's the prettiest lip combo ever. Can you guys see? Time to remove it off as well. Okay, so let's move on to the third combo for the day, and for this combo I'm going to use both of these. So this is again from Swiss Beauty. I think all the lip liners that I have, they are from Swiss Beauty, and this one is Cocoa Nude 03 and this lipstick is from Mars. I think I have talked about all of these products in my previous video. I will link that video somewhere down here. इसको शायद से थोड़ा सा शार्प करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. Let me do that. Let me just apply it. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a makeup pro. I just do what I feel like doing, what suits me the best. Okay, there you go. I have applied my lip liner and it looks good on its own. Maybe just a gloss of some kind will look good. But let's just go in with this lipstick. This is again one of my favorite lipstick. So let's just apply this lipstick. Yeah, so can you see? Can you guys see? I really like how the lip liners basically fades off in the lipstick, but it still's there and you can see it in person. You can really see it on camera. It may not be that catchy, but yeah, this is the final look with this lip combo and this is superb. This is wow. Let's just remove this. Moving on to the next lip combo, and this is going to be the last lip combo. See, lip combos are something that you can create as many as you want, as many as you can, get creative with it. But this is the last lip combo for the day. भाई साहब क्योंकि बहुत सारे हैं बट बहुत सारे नहीं कर सकते, राइट? मेरे लिप्स बहुत ख़राब हो जाएंगे. Okay, so for this lip liner, again it's a Swiss Beauty ka lip liner in the shade Pink Crush 10, and let's go in with this I think Inside Cosmetics ke lipstick. Again it's a very pretty pink shade, as you can see. Let me just do it at. I mean, look at that. I know there is not a lot of difference between this lip combo and the previous one, but it is actually really beautiful. Like, I love it, I'm loving it. It's so pretty, it's so pretty. Let me just try my lip gloss on top of it. Let's just see, and like, let's just get creative and see how it goes. Look at that, look at that. It's, I think it's not very different from the very first one, but still that just had the sheen, but this also had a pink color and a sheen to it. And which girl doesn't like this combo, right? It's one of the best combos again, because I love all of my lip combos. Yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you ever tend to try either of these lip combos, do let me know that you did and how you liked it in the comment section. Until then, you guys take care of yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.